Jesus Christ! Ah! What's up, everyone? This is Reeves from NotMyMajor, and today we're going to take a Roomba and do our damnedest to make it scream pretty much every time it bumps into something. Let's get this shit started. Okay, so I finished building this thing. I guess it's time to explain what exactly is happening with it. Basically, we've got an Arduino, and it's hooked up to this little limit switch right here. So every time that the bumper of the Roomba is pushed in, it triggers the limit switch, which tells the Arduino to send a signal to the serial MP3 player right here, which then plays the scream sound to this speaker. And I got a little battery here to keep everything mobile. So, let's see it in action. So Sir Screams a Lot has 6 pre-programmed sounds for him to play every time he hits something. And those sounds are...
God damn it!
And my personal favorite... So I know a lot of you are probably wondering why I didn't actually show myself like building the setup or programming it. And I guess the simple answer to that would be I couldn't really be fucked to do it. So, this took me, I am ashamed to say, days to build and days to program. And I just couldn't run the camera the entire time. Obviously, I'm not very good at this. Electronics and programming, as the name of my channel implies, I hope you guys understand, these things are not my major. These are not what I study and learn in school. And they're hobbies that I've picked up quite recently. This is, to be honest, one of the first full projects I've ever done with an Arduino. And this is some of the earliest code I have ever written in C or C# or C whatever. I'm generally a Python programmer, but that wasn't really an option in this case, so it took me just quite a bit longer than it usually would for me to program this out. So I hope you understand that I, couldn't show everything, despite how much I'd want to show you guys how I built it and how I put together the circuits and spend time figuring all this stuff out. But to be honest, it was a lot of Googling and a lot of copy-pasting code from the internet until I can learn how to write my own. But, yeah. Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I apologize for the production quality. This was the very first video that I've ever edited and uploaded to anything, so it's probably not going to be up to the standards that I might have later on down the road. But this is a brand new channel. This is going to be the first video up on it, and as it's a brand new channel, I'm really free to grow it in whatever direction that I like. And so if you have any suggestions about that, drop a comment or message me directly. And other than that, if you really like the video, consider giving it a thumbs up, maybe hit that subscribe button, drop any other comments that you have about the video. And other than that, I will see you all in the next video.